Turn on the camera, they are tigers and they are great. Shah Rukh has both. He's a tiger in front of the camera, he's a tiger on set. His room is like open dharamshala. एक इंसान की जर्नी दिलचस्प होनी चाहिए. Hi, this is Baman Irani and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
We've taken some fan questions, I think.
हाँ जी बोलो.
That also gets like different sort of perspective.
आने दो. कहाँ है फैन?
This is Tanveer Raj Chaudhary.
कहाँ है तन्वीर?
Tanveer Raj
अच्छा
Chaudhary.
फोन पे अच्छा ठीक है आने
From
दो.
Silchar, Assam. What type of movie do you like to do? Comedy or action?
तन्वीर आपने बोल दिया कॉमेडी तो इवेंचुअली इट्स अ पर्सन स्टोरी. भले उसमें अप्स एंड डाउन्स हो, उसमें थोड़ा रोना हो, कॉमेडी हो, थोड़ी एक्शन हो, बट एक इंसान की जर्नी दिलचस्प होनी चाहिए. अगर जर्नी में दिलचस्पी नहीं है कि उसको लाइफ में क्या चाहिए, उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, वो क्या अगर वो उसे कुछ चाहिए तो वो प्राप्त कर पाएगा कि नहीं, वो जानना है हमें. उसके जरिए हम थोड़ा हंस ले, थोड़ा रो ले और थोड़ा एक्शन कर ले तो ठीक है. लेकिन मुझे एक इंसान की जर्नी दिलचस्प होनी चाहिए. विदाउट द जर्नी अगर आप कॉमेडी का जोक के ऊपर जोक मारते जाएंगे, हाउ लॉन्ग कैन यू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट? How long can you hold on doing one action scene after another?
This is Fennel Seta from Mumbai.
Fennel.
Fennel Seta.
I heard the name somewhere.
Yeah, he's a journalist as well.
Ah.
Did you talk to celebrated sexologist Dr. Vatsa to prep for Made in China?
I did.
You did. So please tell us something about it.
It was. He's a doctor, and he wants to be spoken to as such. He's a doctor, and he's an approach how to treat his patients, like a psychologist treats his patients, diabetician treats his patients, and that's how he wants to be portrayed. It should not be that there's something unique about the way this doctor is operating. He is a doctor, and I found that extremely insightful. Talk to me as a doctor. I'm here to deal with medical issues, and it should be treated as such, a medical issue. It could be partly psychological, it could be partly physiological and organic, but they are medical issues.
Nikhil from Ghaziabad.
Ghaziabad.
Hanji. What quality have you seen in SRK that you work with him again and again?
I think he has a wonderful energy. He has a wonderful relationship with an audience. He loves his audience. He respects the audience. He has a great set energy. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे एक्टर्स होते हैं, लेकिन सेट एनर्जी कम होती है. तो मतलब एक्टिंग कमाल कर लेते, कैमरा दैट्स फाइन. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट. टर्न ऑन द कैमरा, दे आर टाइगर्स एंड दे आर ग्रेट. बट शाहरुख हैज बोथ. ही इज अ टाइगर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, ही इज अ टाइगर ऑन सेट. And for him, every person sitting on the set is important. He's looking around at everyone. I also try to do that very often. Is everybody happy? Is everybody listening? Is everybody eating? Is everybody having a good time? Is the sound good? Everybody should feel good on a set. He has that wonderful quality. And when we go for location and we go, abroad or outstation, his room is like open dharamshala. Come in the evening. We'll have fun. Games hote hai, khana hota hai, sab kuch hota hai. And he wants everyone to enjoy equally. I find making a film is also a creative process, but it's also a human process. Let's not forget that. Creativity तो करते ही रहेंगे, लेकिन एक humanity साथ साथ में होनी चाहिए. I find that very wonderful about SRK.
This is Nabhar Sharma from New Delhi. According to you, which is your best performance so far? Khurana from Khosla Ghosla.
Okay,
Virus
done.
From 3 Idiots.
हो गया.
Lucky Singh from Lage Raho Munna Bhai और Asthana from Munna Bhai MBBS.
आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, कभी कभी जब मैं शोज़ पे जाता हूँ, लाइव शोज़ पे, इंट्रोडक्शन में कभी कभी मेरे क्लिप्स दिखाई देते, मैं देखता हूँ अरे यार मैंने ये पिक्चर बहुत साल हो गए देखी नहीं. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एंड देयर आर सर्टेन सीन्स दैट कम, ओह इट वाज अ गुड सीन यार, इंटरेस्टिंग सीन. भूल जाता हूँ मैं, लेकिन जो याद रहता है वो खोसला घोसला फॉर सम रीज़न. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. मैंने मेरी पिक्चर रिलीज के वक्त जब देख ली, उसके बाद मैं देखता नहीं. वी मूव ऑन. अदरवाइज यू स्टार्ट कीप थिंकिंग यार उस पिक्चर में मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया तो उसी को लेके हमारे आगे का करियर चलाते रहेंगे. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक.
करेक्ट.
बट रिसेंटली आई सॉ खोसला घोसला अगेन, वन ऑफ द वेरी रेयर मूवीज दैट आई वॉच्ड अ सेकंड टाइम after many years.
Wow.
I really enjoy Khosla Ghosla. I think I find there's something very unique about that character.
And it's so fresh. Each time you watch it, you
Acha
find
lagta hai.
something new in that. Prashant Kumar Pandey from Kolkata. Tell us about your experience working with IMSRK and HNY. So I think more or less you've spoken about that.
Of course.
And does HNY 2 is going to happen or not? Happy New Year 2.
I have no idea, boss. ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं रहता है. फ़ोन करके बोलेंगे हाँ yeah I'm on. As long as I'm alive and kicking, I'll be happy to do.
But you've done several films with Farah, both as a director and you've
I've
acted
done
with her.
actually 3 films. मैं हूं ना, Happy New Year and Shirin Farhad.
Shirin Farah, where you acted with her as well.
Yeah.
So how's the experience of working with her?
She's great. Her history of cinema is so good of understanding history of cinema, Hollywood and Bollywood, and her understanding of a lot of things are commendable, and again a great energy on the set. There's a fun authority. Authority hai, but fun. She's everyone's mom, so mom will give you the best food, mom will give you the best time, but mom will also scold you. She's a good mom to have on the set.
This is Harsh from Mumbai. Your experience of working with Ranveer Singh. Say some words for Ranveer. And sir, how you feel when you're working with Kabir Khan and Ranveer Singh?
Yeah, okay.
This is 83.
It is strange that people say I've worked with Ranveer. I also feel that I have worked with Ranveer, but I have not. I've been on the sets with Ranveer, I've been in his film, but I've never worked with Ranveer. That's so strange.
So you don't have scenes with him?
No, I'm playing Farooq Engineer.
Oh, that's interesting.
It just feels that I've worked with Ranveer. There's such familiarity. I don't know how that has happened. ऐसे लगता है कि कुछ बरसों से कुछ रिश्ता है उसके साथ. Very, very giving. He's very loving and respectful. He just gets energized on a lovely level, makes you feel very special. I make him feel very special because he is. And Kabir Khan is one of those old world good souls. He's got a nice benevolent smile, way, authority, yet kindness. I think a director, if he just has authority without kindness, he's just flashing in front of the unit. I'm a director. He's not one of those guys. He's such a beautiful soul, you know. He has benevolence, kindness, and authority because he knows what he's doing. Everybody knows. When you know what you're doing, you don't have to shout it out.
He's very knowledgeable.
Extremely knowledgeable.
He's traveled a lot and made
Absolutely
these
right,
documentaries
Fardun.
and he's very knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable है, soft spoken है, और when a person knows what he's doing, he doesn't have to raise his voice. समझ में आता कि यार he is asked for a particular shot, एक और बार कर ले. You know, saying वो थोड़ा okay, you know.
This is Singh Rowdy Singh, Vijendra Singh from Kolhapur. Loved you in comic films, want to see you again in a negative role. Keep doing films, keep rocking, God bless.
God bless you too.
So he wants you to do negative roles, something like
करेंगे
a
सर
Don
नहीं.
or something.
I like negative roles also actually.
Ghosla, Ghosla.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है negative role. I think no human being is all good, and no human being is all bad. So if you take a character like say Virus, he's not all bad. He cares for his family. He cares for his daughter. He has love for his grandchild. But it's lovely to have a mix. All bad characters become flat. All good characters are very boring.
Grey is work something.
थोड़ा ग्रे होना चाहिए हर इंसान के लाइफ में. थोड़ा एक ये आदमी बोलेगा he's such a nice guy. Suddenly you see अरे यार he's lost his head. गुस्से में आ गया. अच्छा कभी-कभी गुस्सा भी आता है यार. Good to have shades.
This is Mohammad Sardar from Kurdistan, Iraq. Have you ever thought about directing a comedy film? You are directing, but is it a comedy film?
I don't know if it's a comedy film. Everybody expects a gag fest. My film will be an emotionally happy film.
Emotionally happy film. And starting it,
Hopefully next year.
any star cast that you have in mind?
Not cast yet.
You're writing along with the Birdman writer.
He's helping me out, yeah. It's like homework. I show him my work. He's a great guru to have.
This is Pratishtha from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah.
What are your upcoming projects?
Made in China will be out by soon, 83. And there's one more. I don't know whether it's out in the open, but it's not been announced yet. But it's a pretty important film, which we'll start shooting actually late November, December, Jan. Hi, this is Baman Irani and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.